Welcome to my channel Excavator Expert with Pritam. So today we are discuss to Tata Hitachi Mini Excavator. This name is Jaxis 33U. Yeah, very unique design and this shape. So now we are check to engine capacity and weight. So 3270 to 3650 kg. Okay, weight and RPM saw it 24 RPM maximum. Okay, so comfort power package packed and we are discuss about superior performance. So now we get uh, we we focus we focus point the excellent control valve based in class swing speed faster operation. Hitachi Pilot Control hydraulic system ensure effortless handling of pilot lever. Zero tail swing and boom enable this compact excavator to work alongside wall. A special cooling system to keep engine and hydraulic cooler. So and point easy to maintain high digging force, a strength front attachment, greater stability, air pre-cleaner and a strong upper design. To report ROPS, what the meaning of ROPS and TOPS, tops, so canopy.